This will be a speed test between the Xiaomi Pocophone F1 versus the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Now both phones have the Snapdragon 845. Pocophone F1 has 6 gigs of RAM. Note 9, this one is the whopping 8 gigabytes of RAM variant. The Pocophone starts at a price of $300 USD. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And give the boot up win to the Poco F1. And we are in. There's nothing open in the background on both. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. F1, messages. F1 again, camera. You guys are the judges. Clock on both phones. F1, start the stopwatch on both and leave that running in the background. Chrome and Samsung Internet, let's go. Go ahead and search for GSM Arena. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar. Ooh, so close. Scroll through this. Nice and fast. Go to the desktop version. Let's go. And looking at the progress bar again. So close. Can't really tell the difference. Pinch to zoom. Nice and butter on both. Leave that in the background. Calculator on both phones. Man. Play Store on both. Whew, call that one a draw. Click on Wish and leave that in the background. Amazon Shopping. Man, another close one. Click on this and leave that in the background. eBay on both phones. Very close, give that to the F1. Click on this flashlight. Leave it on that page. NFL app. Very close, give that to the Note 9. Baseball. Very close, give that to the F1. Super Mario Run. Loading on both, and give this to the Note 9. Tap to begin. And leave that in the background. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers Berlin World Tour, loading on both, and woo, give this to the F1. Tap to play, and leave that in the background. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Pirate Cove. F1 is ahead. It looks like the F1 is gonna take this one. We'll confirm that in a second. And give this to the Xiaomi. Tap to play, close it out. Asphalt 9. Asphalt 9 Legends. Who will take this one? Ooh, give that to the Note. Tap the play button and leave it right there. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar, both are neck and neck. And so close, but I'm gonna give the slight advantage to the Xiaomi. Twitter on both phones, Thai, Instagram, another draw, and Snapchat. Woo! So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, as you can see. Can the budget device starting at $300 hang? Let's find out. Instagram, good to go. Twitter on both phones, still in RAM, Grand Theft Auto. Ready to play on both. Asphalt 9, still in RAM on both. Temple Run 2, paused and ready to resume on both. Subway Surf, paused and ready to resume on both devices. Super Mario Run, good to go on both. Baseball, still in RAM on both. NFL, ooh, a little bit of a delay on the F1. eBay, little bit quicker on the Note. Amazon shopping, a little bit faster on the Note again. Play Store, same place. Calculator, a little bit of a delay on the F1, Internet, and Chrome. Good to go on both. Clock on both. Still running the stopwatch, the camera. There you have it. Messages. And the phone app. Boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this one. Do you have yourself the Xiaomi Poco F1? This phone coming in with some pretty good specs, Snapdragon 845 and 6 or 8 gigs of RAM, but with a starting price point of 300 bucks. Or are you a Samsung Knight rocking this fully spec'd out Galaxy Note 9 with 512 gigs of storage and a whopping 8 gigs of RAM with the remote S Pen features, 6.4-inch display, Super AMOLED? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.